Please subscribe and tap the bell icon and get notified, never miss an update. Swelling of the gums is a common problem. The tissue that forms the gums is thick, fibrous and full of blood vessels. Hence, when there is swelling, the gums may protrude or bulge out and appear red instead of their normal pink. Salt. Salt is another effective remedy for swollen gums. It inhibits growth of bacteria in the mouth, and prevents infections that may contribute to several oral health issues. Instruction. After brushing your teeth with a soft bristle toothbrush, gently rub your gums with salt for a few seconds. Rinse it off with warm water. Do this once daily. After your gums are healthy again, do this 3 times a week to prevent recurrence. Thank you for watching this video. Get more recipes, please like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe.